Welcome to this video guide showing the best tips for a hospitality solution of products suitable for hotels, cottages, or guest houses. The goal of this video is to show design and functionality of units placed on this panel. Before we examine the panel, let me give you a brief introduction of at least 3 options based on INEL's bus. They differ from each other by a variety of selected options, color, and material. However, they can appear on the functionality level depending on client request. The hospitality solution is represented by button controllers, a touch display unit, and accessories related to a bedside panel such as an outlet or connectors. Let us examine the first option based on the plastic controllers combined with covers and frames by the Logus 90 series. This basic option allows the user to control all the equipment within the electro installation in a comfortable way using a short or long press. No advanced RFID card authorization is required. Any card inserted into the card holder activates the digital input on the binary input unit or wired button controller. This card reader, combined with the 2-button controller, can utilize the RFID card authorization, and it helps also to recognize guest identity. All the programming can be handled easily by INEL's Design Manager. Using a 3-gang frame, it is possible to stack all the important room controls and equipment, such as a USB charger, power outlet, and simplified controller over the 4-button controller. Configuration options are not limited, and the user can choose from a wide variety of compatible accessories. This option can also be extended by the wall-mounted radio called Lara, capable of playing back music content through ceiling speakers. Let us explore the second option, based on glass controllers, available in basic black or white. Of course, other colors can be requested too. Each controller provides proper feedback to the user in the form of vibrations, an acoustic signal by beeping, or button backlighting, and it allows the user to measure selection quantities such as brightness, temperature, and humidity. In addition, all controllers can be equipped with a magnetic door or window detector connected to the digital input or external temperature sensor suitable for measuring the floor temperature. The glass card reader placed in front of the entrance can cover vital functions such as the doorbell, RFID card reading point, and guest room indication, meaning do not disturb and make up the room. This can also be projected to the receptionist desk, and anybody can see the panel clearly because of backlighted numbers and buttons. All of this can be configured based on parameters. Should the guest wish to make the electro installation work after entering the room, the RFID card holder represents the most suitable option. Inserting the card into the holder can trigger a contactor, run a programmed lighting scenario, and HVAC. The unit is equipped with 3 backlighted buttons, and the user card manager can grant access if the card appears on the list of authorized ones. Or more specifically, each card can bear a set of rights. For instance, the guest is allowed to watch adult TV channels, or hotel personnel gains access to any room. Compared to a classic card holder with a switch, it will never happen that some appliance will be left running needlessly if the guest is not present in the room. Afterwards, the guest gains access to all control panels, whose buttons allow adjustment of the lighting level, turning the radio on and off, or turning everything off. All controlling options can be incorporated into a 6-button or 10-button glass controller with any customized engraved icons and hotel logo. Each short or long press of the button can trigger any programmed function call, even multiple ones. A comfortable way of temperature control is represented by a glass button controller equipped with a colorful display and couple sensor such as temperature, humidity, and brightness. The system can control HVAC and set the temperature automatically without the guest's interaction. This happens based on previously monitored quantities. However, any manual control is still possible. Using buttons, the guest can switch between temperature modes, fan speeds, and select one of the most preferred programs, favorite, manual, or automatic. Of course, feedback coming from the air conditioning unit using the protocol Modbus via RS-485, gateway is guaranteed. All the important details can be shown on the display, and the guest who touches thermostat buttons can also receive immediate feedback in the form of vibrations. This option also contains a glass bedside panel with up to 2 slots to be equipped with Weimar accessories. This means that the guest can gain access, for instance, to data connectors, power outlets, or mechanical buttons. Let us examine the third option of hotel solutions based on rounded-shaped glass controllers. Speaking of functions, all controllers have a new set of icons, and they can also be equipped with a proximity sensor, adjustable backlight, and an internal temperature sensor working together with the magnetic door contact or external temperature sensor. Using a compact central unit, it makes the complete setup for the hotel room controlled autonomously and comfortably. The innovative part of these units with rounded edges uses magnetic contacts to affix the cover to the unit base instead of using pins. Therefore, the unit installation procedure becomes truly stress-free. In addition, each unit can be cleaned easily because of the antibacterial surface, which means extended options in terms of use in various locations. In this case, the hotel room can be equipped with the same set of wall-mounted room panels like in the previous option. Switching and dimming actuators are essentials of the room electro-installation, and they become capable for power supplying and controlling power outlets, the TV, the fridge, audio systems, shading technology, and HVAC, of course. The binary input unit, IM3, represents one of the best options in terms of monitoring because it allows the user to connect various sensors and get feedback out of them. The execution of all routine actions is delegated to the switching actuator, whose contacts bear various levels of power load, a universal dimming actuator suitable for lighting control, and a fan coil unit whose purpose is to control HVAC in various ways. The whole system control can be easily encapsulated to a single universal controller, represented by the wall-mounted touch display. It offers instant access to any part of room control, such as lighting, HVAC, changing the TV or radio channel, and setting volume up or down. Each panel can be configured individually upon common hotel requests. Let us go through the electro installation design, whose main point represents the compact central unit. It is the most recent product, taking just 1 slot and saving space in the switchboard. It is capable enough of maintaining communication between all hotel room units, and it allows interconnection of both protocols, Elconet and Modbus. The incredible speed, simplicity, and security are the most sophisticated properties. All of this comes in a single module design, and only a power supply combined with a bus separator is needed. In addition, each room can be extended by a gateway, whose primary function is to interconnect the smartphone, tablet, or TV with the electro installation. The compact central unit can appear in subordinate mode and thus be controlled by a superior central unit. It can cover larger clusters of subordinated compact central units based on the relationship master and slave, and share data further with the BMS platform, such as the Niagara framework. To complete the solution, have a look at the reception control center called IDM Hotel. It is focused rather on smaller objects requiring access to booking, the electro installation state, and card access management. Thank you for watching this video, and you can find out more at the Elco EP website in the provided link.